Welcome everyone. In this video I will show you how to download and install Google Classroom on your Android devices, which we will be using it for collecting notes, submitting assignment, discussion about the topic with your teachers and also among your friend circle, and also some of the quizzes. So how we have to do: first, from your Android devices, search for your Google Play Store apps. For me, it is inside the Google, and you all can see now this is a Google Play Store. Click on the Google Play Store icon and then search for Google Classroom. After you search for Google Classroom, click on the install button, and when you click on the install button, first it will download, and you might have to wait for some time because my network is not good out here, so it might take some time. Yeah, thank God it is already downloaded. Now it's installing. Once the installation is done, I will open the app and I'll show you how to join class. Okay, now it's done, so let's open the app. Once you open the app, what you will find is this screen which says Google Classroom help classes communicate, save time and stay organized. Click on the get started icon and choose for the Gmail account that you have already signed in your device. In case you don't have a Gmail account, then you go to the add account. But since I already have Gmail account, so I click on the Google account and I click OK. Now once you click on the get started button, this is how the page will look like after you entered. You will find below there is a plus button, and click on that plus or add button and you will find two options. One is create a class, that is for teacher. If you are a teacher and you want to create a class, you click on it. But now since you are a student, so click on the join class button, which you will find your own name, your email ID will be there, and then it says ask your teacher for the class code, then enter it here. Now I have already shared a class code with you. In order to show you how we have to go on, let me just type in the class code here. I have already put the class code. Now I click join. So once I join, the page will look like this. It says HS second year logic and philosophy. After you open this page, you will be able to see all the notification, all the notes and all the assignment that your teacher has given it to you below. But right now I have not given any post, I have not given any notification, so it is blank. So this is how you will be doing, this is how you will be able to join the class. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you all.